Hey everyone, it's Kenya and welcome back to my channel. So Ellie has storage sent me this 613 bob to share with you all. So keep on watching to see how I came up with this color in the root and this install. And just off the rip, like looking at it, the density and everything on it seems to be about like a 150 density. Good parting space. It comes with 3 combs and adjustable scraps in the bottom, and you can also add custom scraps if that's what you're into for a glueless look. But I'm going to install her, and it does look pre-plucked. The hairline, this wig looks really good. So this is how the wig looks. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't toned knots. We're not gonna leave it like this now, so not too much. I just wanted to put it on in its rawest form to show y'all how good it looks. Like, now I'm just coming a little closer so you guys can see the headline. So this is the color I'm going to use in the root, and I'm going to leave all details below in the description bar, so don't forget to check the description bar. And let me tell you, this wig is rooted, honey. When I tell you it's rooted, it is rooted, okay? I ate this color. I wish they had sent it to me in a longer inch, but hopefully, you know, if you want to collab on wigs and color, send me a blonde wig in a longer inch. Thank you. But for right now, I'm just going to cut 2 slits in the wig. So I'm going to cut a slit on each side, and I'm going to pull it back to start applying my glue. Now, for myself, I did do the ball cap method, but I didn't perfect it that much. But all you have to do to learn the ball cap method is type in YouTube the ball cap method, and then it will get you squared away. Now, for this glue, I'm just using like some ebony glue, and I want to say I did about 3 layers, and I thinned out the glue, and I just used my popsicle stick to keep thinning it out, and I think I did get over, you know, and got a little heavy handed with it, but I mean, it's okay. Okay, so I did lay my lace into the glue while it still was white, but it's not a bad thing because I did overextend it just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just pinning my hair up, and I'm going to take my Velcro elastic band and secure my lace down. And I'm going to get under the dryer for like 10 minutes to secure my lace into that glue. Okay, so now I'm going to use my eyebrow razor to give myself more of a jagged look once I cut the lace off to make it appear more natural. And I know you guys can see that little bit of glue right there, but I'm going to fix it, so keep on watching. And I did ended up filming this video on my phone. My plan was to film it on my phone and my camera, but girl, it'd be a lot of work trying to install, record, and all of that good stuff. But next time, I promise you guys, I'm going to have it more full. So here's the part where I said I was going to fix it. So I'm just taking my foundation brush, and I had like a little bit of foundation on the brush, and I'm going to apply it to my lace, and as you can see, it's already going away. And I'm going to take this Evans spray in the black can, and I'm going to spray it all over my lace to make it just melt and disappear. So right now I'm taking my scissors and just cutting the excess lace that I left behind. So keep on watching. You're going to see. You're going to take the spray and you're going to spray it right directly on your lace, and you're going to tap it with your finger, or you can tap it on your finger with the spray and then just tap it into your lace. Also, if you live in an area where they don't carry the ebony spray, you can use spritz. So my friend ended up popping in on me, and so what she's doing here is taking the tweezers and getting any hairs that I had got into the glue, removing them from the glue.
See, you barely got to do it.
Absolutely. Yes. Get it right.
Okay, so what she's doing now is just taking out some hairs for to do me some baby hair. And now she's just taking my small flat irons and curling them upward. So in this next clip, just me from the previous night. So I had to come back on camera and, touch it up a little bit just so you guys can see it. So in this portion of the clip, this will be like the next 2 days after Thanksgiving or something like that. So I did go ahead and restyle her and show you guys the wig. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I love this wig. Barely any shedding. It is so soft. I don't even have to put like some silken and stuff on it. It holds the curls so pretty, as you guys can see. I wanted you guys to see how good the straight hair curls. It's super full. It took well to color. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. 10 out of 10, and I definitely recommend it. And it comes in, I think, a 10-inch, a 12-inch, and a 14-inch. So it does give a bob look. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. And look at these bomb results, you guys. Like, I'm so in awe. But I've worked with them in the past, and all of their hair is so amazing. So you guys need to check out ELEE'S Hair Store on Amazon. Check the description bar for everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. So if you're looking for a 613 frontal bob wig with a good parting space, yes, this is her right here. She has the same amount of parting on the side as well as she does in the middle, girl. Check the description bar for everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave your thoughts and opinions below.